Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to learn a very fancy word, arrays. Can you say that? Arrays. So arrays are going to become even more important as you get older and you start learning multiplication. But this is just the very beginning to your building blocks. So I'm going to be drawing a couple hearts. And all I want you to tell me is how many groups of hearts you see here. Now, groups is something that has more than one. So let's look over here. We have one group, two groups, and three groups. So how many groups of hearts do we have? Three groups. Awesome. Okay, let's try something else. I have 5 blocks here. I'm going to draw another group of 5 blocks. How many groups of blocks do I have? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 groups. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, now we're going to draw triangles. How many groups of triangles do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you this question. I'm going to draw one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 squares. Now, how many groups can I make using these 8 squares? Okay, let's see. I could make a group of 2. So let's circle all the groups of 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 groups. Yeah, I have 4 groups. Now, how many squares do I have in each group? 1, 2. I have 2 in this group. 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 So I guess you could say I have 4 groups of 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each of my groups, I have 2 squares. Ah, you're starting to see the connection? Okay, let's try hearts. Okay. So how many groups of hearts do I have? 2 groups. Right? 1, 2. How many hearts do I have in each group? Here's my one group. Here's my other group. How many in each? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. So I guess you could say I have 2 groups of 3 hearts. Awesome. Okay. So that is just the beginning. We're going to be practicing a whole lot more with arrays. For the particular math workbook page that you're going to be doing, it's asking you. It says, we need to make 3 relay teams, 5 children in each team. How many children do you need? Arrange 3 groups of 5 children to make 3 by 5 array. Okay, so we need to make 3 teams, right? So we're going to have team 1. So let's call this team 1. Okay, this one can be team 2. This one can be team 3. And it's asking to make sure that there's 5 children in each of our teams. Okay, so let's give them 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yep, we got 5 children in team 1. Let's get 5 children for team 2. And all these kids have spiky hair because they all went to the same barber. Okay, so let's make sure team 2 has 5 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. And now team 3. Okay, let's make sure there's 5 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 teams of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 children here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 teams of 5 kids. Yeah? Awesome. Okay, so for your work task, we did this one together. I wanted to give you guys a really good example. For your work task and a piece of paper, I want you to draw 3 teams of 7 kids. Okay, so if you could please draw 3 teams of 7 kids on a piece of photo paper and then submit it to me on Class Dojo. Okay, I hope this helps. Have fun.